In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp writing help on iPhone. Intro. Begin by opening up WhatsApp, and you need to go to the chat where you want to send a message. So essentially just open up the chat. I'm just going to use this one that we keep using over and over for these examples. As you can see, we have all these examples in here, but essentially just go ahead and type your message into the message box, but obviously don't send it yet. For example, let's just say message, right? Then what you need to do is just press and hold the text, of course, that you sent. You'll see a little more option pop up. Go ahead and select that. And then, of course, once you go ahead and do that, just choose a rewrite. And if it's your first time using writing help, hit get started. It'll walk you through the entire process. But essentially what it's going to do is rewrite your message better using a more AI generated response. So it essentially like fixes up all your grammar and just makes it a lot better using private processing technology. And if you don't see the rewrite option, make sure that you do have WhatsApp updated to the latest version from the App Store and check it again since some of these AI features have not rolled out for everybody yet. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.